Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. So you guys know what that means. We're going to be going over some 5 off $25 scenarios for this Saturday at Dollar General. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It is a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. So for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it's very important to scan each item in the app when you are in the store to make sure that the digital coupons do attach, and also to price check because prices do vary from store to store. And for anyone who is curious, here's how I go about checking out whenever I do my 5 off 25 scenarios. So first, I'll have the cashier ring up all of my items. Then I'll verify that my subtotal is $25 or more, and that is before taxes. Now, if you have the newer keypads, you will have to ask your cashier. If you have the older keypad, it actually shows you the subtotal on the screen. Then I'll type in my phone number and I'll wait for the digital coupons to come off. Again, if you have one of those older keypads still at your store, it will show you which digital coupons do come off. Then if I have any paper coupons, I will hand those over last. Remember, if your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, you can always void the transaction and try again because your digital coupons will go directly back onto your account. And also, any paper coupons that you may have handed over will still work because the transaction was never completed. Also, don't forget to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards app and earn points on the products that you've purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. Now, if you're not already signed up, my referral code is on the screen here as well as in the description box below. If you use it, you will receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Alright guys, so for this first scenario, we have a food deal, and we are going to be taking advantage of some of the items that are on sale this week. So, for this one, you want to pick up 3 bags of Cheetos or Lay's chips. They're on sale 3 for $6. 2 of the Clover Valley 24-count waters. They're on sale 2 for $4. 3 of the Folgers singles 7-count for $3. 4 bags of Chex Mix. They're on sale 2 for $2. 2 of the Herdez sauces for $3. 4 of the Powerades for $2.60. They are also on sale for 65 cents each. And then 2 of the Betty Crocker Suddenly salads. They are buy one, get one free. So 2 of them is going to put you at $2. Then you're going to pick up 1 of the BioFreeze 1-count patches for $1.75. And that is a typo there. I do apologize. And your subtotal is going to be $26.35. So I want to take a minute to talk about the BioFreeze. The only reason why I threw it on this scenario was because I needed a filler item to get over that $25 mark, and I was only a couple of cents off. Now I know a lot of you guys have already used that BioFreeze coupon, or your store is out of stock of the BioFreeze patches. If that is the case, this item is going to be really easy to substitute with something else. I highly recommend you pick up one of the ads when you go into the store and check it out because we do have that 4-day sale, and there are a lot of really cheap items that you can throw in there to substitute for that BioFreeze patch. Like we have the Sunkist and RC Cola 2 liters for just 85 cents. So that's going to be an easy one to substitute out. So here's a picture of all the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Folgers, the 1 off 2 Folgers, the 50 cents off 1 Chex Mix, the 1 off 3 Chex Mix, the buy 1 get 1 free Herdez salsa, the buy 3 get 1 free Powerade, and the 2 off 1 BioFreeze. Your subtotal after coupons will be $13.70 for 21 items, or just 65 cents each. And I think that is an amazing deal considering we're getting bottled water, we're getting chips, we're even getting a little bit of coffee and some of those Powerades. So that's a great deal for me. All right, next up we have a household deal. So you want to pick up 1 of the True Living 12-count bath tissues for $4.50. 1 of the Tide Simply Pods 13-count for $2.95. 1 Febreze plug-in for $3.25. 2 of the Gain dish soaps for $4. 2 of the Always Discreet liners for $6. 2 of the Rubbermaid take-alongs for $4, and 1 of the BioFreeze patches for $1.75. Your subtotal will be $26.45. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So you want to make sure you have your 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 True Living Bath Tissue, the 2 off 1 Tide, the 3 off 1 Febreze Plug-In, the 1 off 2 Gain Dish Soap, the 5 off 2 Always Discreet, the 150 off 2 Rubbermaid, and the 2 off 1 Biofreeze. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $5.95 for 10 items, making each item just 59 cents each. Alright guys, so for this next deal, we have a personal care deal and an instant savings deal. So we're going to include that Colgate instant savings deal that I talked to you guys about earlier in the week. So you want to pick up one of the Colgate mouthwashes for $5, one of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste for $2.75, one of the Colgate Max White toothbrushes for $3, one Tide Simply Pod 13 count for $2.95, two of the Always Discreet liners for $6, two of the Secret deodorant sprays for $5.50, and 3 of the Pantene travel size shampoos or conditioners for $4.50. Your subtotal is going to be $29.70. Then we are going to subtract that $3 in instant savings from the Colgate instant savings deal. It's spend 10 and you'll instantly save $3 at the register. So you're going to take your subtotal, which is $29.70, subtract $3 from it, and then your new subtotal still needs to be $25 or more. So if you subtract that $3, your new subtotal is going to put you at $26.70. So you're still good to go. That 5 off 25 will still work. And here's a picture of the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And I do want to remind everyone, do not be afraid to ask for help if you guys get confused on instant savings versus sale prices, or whatever it may be. If you need help putting together a scenario even, just leave me a comment down below. Let me know what's going on, and I will be happy to help. So here is your list of coupons. You're going to need your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Colgate mouthwash, the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste, the 2 off 1 Colgate toothbrushes, the 2 off 1 Tide, the 5 off 2 Always Discreet, the 2 off 2 Secret deodorant, and the 4 off 3 Pantene. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $2.70 for 11 items, or just 24 cents each. So for this next scenario, I wanted to do a little mix and match deal because I have a lot of coupons that I want to use up that are going to be expiring this weekend. So for this one, I'm going to include that instant savings deal again. We're going to pick up one of the Colgate mouthwashes for $5, one of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste for $2.75, one of the Colgate Max Fresh toothbrushes for $3, 3 of the Folgers single 7 count for $3, 4 of the bags of Chex Mix for $4, 2 of the Herdez sauces for $3, one of the Tide Simply Pods 13 count for $2.95, and 2 of the Always Discreet liners for $6. And again, your subtotal is going to be $29.70. The $3 in instant savings is going to come off first at the register, and your new subtotal will be $26.70, which is still above that $25 threshold, so that 5 off $25 coupon will still work. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you want your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Colgate mouthwash, the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste, the 2 off 1 Colgate toothbrush, the 1 off 1 Folgers, the 1 off 2 Folgers, the 50 cents off 1 Chex Mix, the 1 off 3 Chex Mix, the buy one get one free Herdez salsa, the 2 off 1 Tide, and the 5 off 2 Always Discreet. Your subtotal after coupons will be $3.70 for 15 items, or just 24 cents each. Now that is an awesome deal in my book. Now before I go, I do want to mention that I uploaded a video yesterday with P&G spin deals that you can do any day of the week. Plus there's some more 5 off $25 scenarios that are included in that video, so I'm going to leave that linked in a pinned comment down below. Go check it out if you haven't already. Also in that video, I did tell you guys I have the new P&G inserts. I will be doing an insert preview and giveaway video. I was supposed to upload that yesterday, but we had a ton of storms. The internet was super slow, plus I had a doctor's appointment to go to, and things just started stacking on top of each other, and it didn't get done. So I will be uploading that video today, so be on the lookout for that. Also, if you need more ideas for your 5 off $25 scenarios, go and check out my Good Deals in 4 Days sale video. I will also leave that linked down in the pinned comment below because there are an absolute ton of awesome deals going on at Dollar General this week, so you don't want to miss out. So go check that out if you haven't already. Alright guys, that's it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of you good luck with your 5 off $25 scenarios tomorrow at DG. Now before you go, please make sure that you are subscribed. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It is a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, have a great day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.